Hi, it's Lynn and welcome back to my channel. We got a ton of watermelon left over from this past week, so I used it up to make these delicious smoothies. Nourishing our crown is an inside job, and I'm convinced that God has generously given us anti-inflammatory foods as a gift on this journey. So today we're making two watermelon smoothies. First up is a watermelon chiller. I got this recipe from Sadia at Pickup Limes. Our ingredients are watermelon, mint, plant-based yogurt, and lime. This brand of yogurt is extremely rich and creamy and one of my new favorites, so I'm going to be using it a lot. But watermelon is high in lycopene, vitamin A, vitamin C, and it has lots of bioactive compounds. It also has a compound that reduces C-reactive protein, which is generally a marker of systemic inflammation. I'm also using lime, and lime is also anti-inflammatory. It's rich in vitamin C, plus it adds, a nice little kick to brighten up the drink. I also threw in some mint leaves there. They also help the digestive tract and help relieve cramps, plus they also add a nice little zing. And once you get it going, this drink is smooth, creamy, refreshing. It's light. I wasn't able to get my full face on this video, but y'all, this was delicious. You definitely want to try it. It's quick, it's easy, it's great on the digestive system, and really good could be used as a delicious dessert or even a snack. So hope you enjoy it. Let me know if you want to try this one out. So next up is our watermelon peach ginger cooler. This one we're going to start actually with the peaches. They are anti-inflammatory, high vitamin C and vitamin A, great for the gut. And as always, we want to try to use the skin. I also threw in some cucumber in there. It's one of the vegetables with the highest water content. Plus, it's a natural diuretic, and it helps to alkalize the blood and balance our pH level. Then we have watermelon again, the star of the show. It also works as a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory. So you know ibuprofen, right? And it works using the same mechanisms in our body. So we're just gonna blend this beauty right on up. And I actually used frozen watermelon again. And then you'll see there I put in a couple of knobs of ginger. Actually, I will probably add in a little bit more ginger because it had a nice zing to it, but I feel like I could have used a little bit more punch to it. So always adjust to your preference and liking. And there you have that beautiful watermelon peach ginger cooler. So try this one out. Let me know how it goes, and maybe share some of your favorite watermelon or smoothie recipes in the comments below. As always, live well, live blessed, nourish your crown, and I'll see you in the next video.